my new bitch, she got body. Nigga, my shooter want more bodies. I done got rich, I don't trust nobody.
You tell me that you love me. You tell me you won't ever leave me. Take no one.
Currently got some merch on the way. Alright, Chris, what's the biggest mistake you see tinters make?
Not properly cleaning the window before installation. You want to make sure as you're squeezing the water out, and you're pushing to the left and the right. See, I'm pushing everything to the right. So the dirtiest side is gonna be this, if there is any dirty contamination, because I literally squeezed it all out. So I see a lot of tinters skip this step, and they'll go to install, and then they wonder why their sides are riddled with dirt, little white specks. So I take this squeegee, and it grabs all that. You can even see. That would have been in my tint. And then right before I do my install, take a clean towel, take my top edge, just any dirt sitting on the edge, and then I, see, and I wedge that in there, and I give it a white. Now that's clean and ready. Then I flush those down, so if there's any little small particles, they're gonna get flushed. Another thing I see, people not peeling from peel boards. I mean, depending on your situation, like, you know, if I'm mobile or at a dealership, I have to peel off the car, so I'll make sure. Because if this is the car and you spray, and that's dirty, all that dirt's gonna come drip down into your tint. And then you wonder why you got dirt speckles all in your tint.
And I don't want your love, you can keep it if it's fake. I don't think they really love me always. I don't think they really wanna be around me all day. Can't nobody make the pain go away. Can't nobody make the sun.
This is a computer cut pattern, so this shit doesn't get any better than that. I'm gonna clean this outside. My biggest pet peeve is when I see tint jobs with those huge gaps at the top. Can't stand that. It gets underneath my skin. I use a lot of solution, which a lot of tinters, just kind of depends. Some of them don't like a lot of solution. But when it comes to a lot of solution, your pattern tends to shift. So when that happens, I'll show you what we always line the tools with this Teflon strip so it doesn't scratch the film. See a lot of tinters that tint, they don't do that. And then they have little scratches on the actual film. And when I get that top edge right where I want it, I go like that. I see it's got a little play in it. So what I'm gonna do is take that play out. Now I heat it, I check for the play. No play, it's locked in. Now we can roll that window up. All right, now this is another crucial point. I see a lot of people do this while transitioning from installing the top to installing the bottom. You want to make sure. I always take my pattern, pop it out like that. This is a little bit different because these Audi doors, but basically you want to pop that out so it's not resting. Get in there, get a nice wrench. Nice and tucked in there. So it's really hard to teach somebody window tint on just one particular car, because this car is going to tint way different than that car or any other car.
Cullin' and big body, look at my new bitch, she got body. Nigga, my shooter want more bodies. I done got rich, I don't trust nobody. The snake pit, this shit get slimy. Raised by Grinch, yeah, shit'll get grimy. I don't know poo, but I do on shiesty. Got that too real hot, not spicy. Don't care that boy don't like me. Speak on my name, he get put on a white tee. Fuck around, I'ma go cheeky. Let the bang bang, he gon' bring out the white sheet. Knock out fist in the street and these. We don't wanna be that little boy up to the white meat. You niggas go to the mall just to sightsee. I really pull out the lap with a straight G. Performing, taking me A to B. Bitch, don't you play with me, ain't nothing to say to me.
Okay, a mirror, my fit, that the skate of